Hello, this is a short video demonstration on applying WonderFlex PU liquid roofing. The demonstration is a simulation of a new flat roof, but is generally typical of applying to most flat roofs. To start, make sure the surface is clean and dry, then start by filling in any cracks, joints or openings in the roof with a PU sealant. Work the sealant into the cracks and seal the roof. For larger defects, use the WonderFlex fibered solution to fill these in. Once done, you can start to apply the primer, either same day or next day primers. This is simple to apply just by pouring out of the tin straight onto the surface. Use a good brush or roller to spread the primer sparingly and evenly. You only need 200 grams per square metre, so if applying to larger roofs, you may find it easier to grid out in metre sections using a chalk line. If there are dips on the roof, do not allow the primer to pond. It is important that you don't apply too much because this affects drying time. With the same day primer, it should be touch dry between 1 to 4 hours, depending on the weather and temperature. Next day primer should be left 24 hours before applying the WonderFlex. Apply the primer to all upstands and edges. Make sure all areas are covered. The surface must be totally touch dry and not tacky, as the top coat won't bond to it. Once dry, again make sure the surface is clean and free from dust or debris. Now you can start applying the WonderFlex PU liquid membrane. Start with the detailed areas such as the upstands, felt laps, skylights, weak spots and corners. Use the fibered reinforced liquid top coat for this, as it won't run like the standard top coat and helps reinforce vulnerable areas. Now we apply the liquid membrane to the main surface. Again, simply pour onto the surface and use a good fine-haired roller to produce a good finish. Do not use long-haired rollers, as these will drag and leave hairs in the liquid. Again, on larger areas, you can mark out in grid areas of 1 metre to help apply evenly. A 25 litre tin will cover approximately 15 to 16 square metres. Just roll out the liquid evenly. It needs about 1.2 to 1.4 millimeters thick when finished. The liquid is self-leveling, but rolling out evenly helps the liquid level faster. Some air bubbles may appear. They should disperse by themselves, but you can roll over these areas again just to help it. There it is. Should you have any questions, just give us a call on the number you find on the back of the leaflet. Thank you for watching.